Okay, so this one is a 3-in-1, and I got that so that I could fix the rear indicators on the fxdx and dyna. But this was too small, so it didn't fit in. And it didn't fit in the side of the dyna. That's a successful attempt. It goes through here, but didn't go far enough. So how did I get that to work? Well, online I found these extensions, and comes in this. Now, this slides on and screws on, it goes like that. And then all of a sudden, it still didn't work because this thing was too long. So on the other one, I cut this in half and turned it into this long. So put that over the side. And now I can actually bolt those together. I could put that up there, put that on. There's enough thread inside to be able to fasten it on the mudguard. Then this thing comes along. How do I join these to the circuit board, which is over in the taillight? This is a second circuit board for this one. I need these. And you think in Sweden you could just go and buy them? No. It costs you $2 or $3 to buy them and then $100 fucking shipping. It's just ridiculous. And so I depinned this one. These are the indicators. And I was looking at these terminals, and these terminals, well, do you think they're that easy to get? No, you don't know. You don't even know what they're called. So these terminals were a problem. And I was looking online for days and getting help from Facebook and groups. And then I went, hold on a minute. What about this one? And then all of a sudden, I remembered that I had these ones from Biltema. Now, they don't look, they're not identical, but pretty close to it. So I decided I'll try these. Now, these weren't my first choice because they come from a setup with plugs that look like this. These plugs. And so I didn't really think, this would work. But I thought I'll give it a go. And then all of a sudden, this one fits perfectly into this. So then I have to pin these. And then put on these and then install them. But do you think it's as simple as that? No, of course it's not as simple as that, because you have to put this on, this is rubbish, so you have to use a set of these to make it more effective. So you have to install that, install this and this and this, put on thread, locker, glue, like Loctite, screw this on and fasten it at the, before you fasten it, then you put on extra shrink wrap around these, and then you put on 2 of them, because you're only using 2, you're not using all the lights in there. And then you set it all up, and then once you've put it all through, you, over here, put it on, put this on, fasten it, put the wire through, then connect the pinned wires to the plug, and then push it in. What a hassle. But at the end of the day, when you do that, check out the blinking at the top here, you'll see it's blinking here. And what about, surprise, surprise, blinking here. I know it's a little bit fast, but it'll pass for it, Joe. It's an LED flasher unit I could change. And snigged.